Welcome to Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to take a screenshot in Python by using PyScreen module. First, I will install Pillow module. I will use sudo apt-get install Python 3 and pill and enter. And now I'm going to install PyScreenshot by using pip3 install PyScreenshot. And now I have PyScreen installed on our system. Now we will write a simple script to grab a screenshot. I will name it gedit screen demo.py. Now I will import PyScreenshot as image grab, and to grab full screen I will save in variable image grab and call its method grab, and then I'm going to save image file by using image save method, and here you can pass in the name of the file you want to save. I will name it screen.png, and we can also show image in a window by using image.show method. And now we just need to save our script and check. And to run my script, I just need to type Python 3 with the name of our script, screen demo.py, and hit enter. And you can see this screenshot shown also. So this way you can grab a screenshot with Python. We can also show part of the screen to instead of a whole screenshot of the whole desktop or whole system. I'm going to modify my code for that. Now I'm going to just comment this thing over here, and not going to save image for now. And I'm going to add a code to grab part of the screen. This will be image and image grab. I'm missing over here. Image grabs function grab passing parameters b box, and its coordinate set to maybe 20 and 20, and then 300 by 300. These are, the first one is x1 and this one is a y1, then you can name it is x2, and the next one is y2. And now I'm going to just show the image and just save it and run our script again. Just run my script again. And now you can see it showing part of the screen grab. So this way you can take screenshot in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A Code keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.